Hey, today I'm getting my hair dyed, which is something I've always wanted to do. And I was gonna get it dyed 3 colors, but I'm actually gonna get it dyed blue, like a vibrant kind of electric blue, so that'll be cool.
We'll see what happens, but she's going to have a student do it.
Yeah, because it's like a school thing.
So we'll see how that works out.
It'll probably be fine.
Looks like you're about to go to sleep.
Well, my eyes are being all weird today.
Might be the...
Yeah, it's also partially that, but you know. Look at my hair! It's currently like wet because you can't like completely blow dry curly hair, but it looks real cool. I have blue hair now, and I've always wanted to dye my hair, even whenever I was like a kid. So this is real cool, and now I feel like a true YouTuber.
Evie, she's Evie.
I do look like her. It's strange. But anyways, for those of you who guessed blue on that one video where we asked about it, congratulations to you. There's no prizes, but you get the satisfaction of knowing that you guessed it right. I am actually starving. I haven't eaten all day and it's 7, so let's please go somewhere. Look at that! That's wild.
I need a number 3.
So, Mommy told me to vlog about how long that took. So we got there late at like 12:10, and then we talked about what I wanted for like maybe 15 minutes. So I'd say we started around like 12:30. That took from 12 to 7, which is a whole long time. But it was worth it because it looks so good. And I'm gonna continue to like maintain it because I got the same like shampoo stuff Mommy did. So now I'm eating McDonald's because I'm starving.